article number SF-03. This is a zinc colored net shirt with handmade work all over it, consisting of duppata, sequences, fresh stones and pearls. These are the sleeves for the dress. This is the back of the shirt with the embellished border and a spread on top. This is the border, embellished border that is provided, and this is a neckline motif. This is a contrast orange dupatta with this shirt, which has a one-sided sequenced border and is spread all over it. This is the grip trouser with its organza border embroidered, and it is also provided with a lace that you can put at the bottom of the shirt.